Alright, so on this video we're going to talk about when your website won't take multiple images in one import. So on ASAP's data we separate our multiple values, which would be again like images, with a pipe separation. So right here after JPEG, pipe, second image. So some of you have websites that don't allow that. They go, oh, no, 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 we want them all separate. And some of them have websites that only let you have the one picture on an import. So I'm going to show you how to take one of these files and change it so that you can do that. So what I want you to do first when you open the file, if you're going to be doing this, is highlight the column, right click with your mouse and say cut, and then I want you to move it to the end of the file. So you're going to go over here, which is the last empty row, and you're going to say insert cut cells. And of course on a CSV it's going to blow it all open. So if you have an issue with this and you go, oh my god, I hate that, so put your mouse up in the top corner, come down here and hit right click again with your mouse, and this little box will come up. All you need to do is go down here to row height. I just usually do 15 and it will tuck it all back in. Alright, so now that we have this and we have all empty cells next to it, we're going to again highlight this cell, and up here in your bar, so you'll have a little tab that says data up here. You're going to click that data tab. Click your data tab and you're going to find something that says text to columns. Alright, I mean Excel has just crazy things you can do on it, and it bothers a lot of us and frustrates a lot of us, but there are some neat things you can do. So we're going to click, once you've highlighted, make sure that you just put your mouse over the column number and click it so it's all highlighted, and come back over here and say text to columns. So you have two choices. We want it delimited, and then you're going to hit the next button, and this says tab. We're going to hit other and put pipe, right? Because that's on ASAP, that's what we separated our multiple images with. If you had a file from somebody and it wasn't separated with a pipe, maybe it was separated with a semicolon or a comma or whatever it was separated with on that file, that's what you're going to put right in here under the other. But we separate it with a pipe. The pipe, if you hit your keyboard and hit shift, the pipe is right above the backslash, and it's a straight up and down arrow, and we just call it the pipe. So then we're going to hit next, and then we're going to hit finish, and it's going to be general. And what it has done, and it might ask you, do you want to override? It didn't for me because I already had done this, but if you don't have this out here and you just override it, then it's going to replace whatever was in those columns next to it. But what has happened here in a click of a button is it has separated out all the multiple images, right? And so you have your first one, and that's your primary image, and then you have secondary image and tertiary image and the fourth image. And so if you're going to be, but this one is only one now, so you only have one image in the initial column, and then you have all the other ones. So if you want to put image 2 and title it image 3, image 4, you can do that as well. But that just removed it all. And so if you have a website and only lets you take one image at a time, then this is what you'd want to do. Again, you want to give it a header afterwards, but all that information's right in there, right? It separated them all out. You no longer have anything that has multiple pipes separated, right? It's all one image. Hope that helps save some time. That is a crappy way to have to load images, in my opinion, but it is what it is. So I hope that helps. Thank you very much.